Thanks for joining us for Now with PT. I'm Jared.
And I'm Becky. Think of us as your hands-on testing tour guides.
Let's start off with some enterprise virtualization testing. Our experts used the Dell PowerEdge Vertex to deploy Citrix Zen Desktop 7.5. With the Vertex and Zen Desktop, it was easy for them to set up, configure, and deploy VDI users.
This combo offered a unified, efficient, and simple VDI solution for business, without all the costs of an enterprise data center.
In this segment, one of our experts tells us about software-defined storage and explains how the right solution can increase performance, save space, and reduce costs. Corey, you and your team just completed work on an OpenStack infrastructure project. What did you and your team find?
We found that VMware with Virtual SAN delivered about 53% more operations per second for the Cassandra distributed database workload. And we found that using the synthetic low-level workload, VMware Virtual SAN delivered about 159% more IOPS than the Red Hat solution.
That's a pretty big increase. What does it mean?
Well, for end users, it would mean better performance. Their applications would respond faster. They would potentially get more work done in the same amount of time.
Next, we have results from online education testing on 4 systems: an HP 210 G1 notebook PC, powered by Intel and running Windows 8.1, a Samsung Chromebook 2, an iPad Air, and a Google Nexus 10.
We looked at digital content that students or teachers might use for learning in the classroom or at home. The Intel processor-powered HP notebook running Microsoft Windows was the clear standout. It provided the best access to instructional content from the websites of 4 major publishers. We also have an expert to tell us about the remote notebook management testing we just wrapped up. Let's go to the lab.
So we compared 2 Dell 7000 series laptops versus 2 older Lenovo laptops. For the Dells, we used Dell Client Integration Pack, or DCIP. And for the Lenovos, we used Configuration Manager 2012.
So what is DCIP?
DCIP is an add-on for System Configuration Manager 2012. It allows you to remotely manage Dell laptops exclusively.
Tell me about the scalability of DCIP in Intel vPro.
With the Lenovo laptops, the administrator has to make the changes to each system manually and one at a time. With DCIP, you're able to implement the changes to all the laptops at the same time through one easy-to-use menu.
We've been doing some pretty experimental work here, and to round out this episode, we have something extra.
A few of our tech staff have been playing around with the 3D scanner and printer we have in the lab, and they discovered something interesting.
Hey, my name is Ellie. Can I have some marshmallows?
Maybe later.
It looks like we'll be cloning marshmallows next.
We'll see you next time on Now with PT.